Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we want to do an unboxing of this DJI Avata 2. So I just received this. This is a 5 mode combo with 3 battery. So let's get started to unboxing it. So inside we do have a bag include inside the box. So as you can see, all inside the box. This is a bag. So far look nice, this bag quality. So as you can see, all inside the bag. So we take out all the components and show you what we have this 5 mode combo. Okay, so now it's empty. So first we showing you this is a battery with a battery charging hub. This is very nice. You can charge a 3 battery. And this is a motion control tree. Is this motion control tree smaller than the first version actually? Okay, here got a record button, joystick, power button here. It's lighter than the previous version actually, and very good to hold. So this is a user manual to USB-C cable. So this is the H key to change your propellers. And we do have a 2 pair extra propellers. USB-C to USB-A. And you have this extra collective length -2. Extra front pack. So we see the aircraft. It look better than the before, the Avata one. Look quite solid. So battery slot in. And now they move here for the USB connection and that SD card. So very easy to take out the SD card. So not bad. And now the propellers is 3 props. So this is a cargo. Now they have attached with the battery, so no need to connect external cable. They have 2 more lens here. You can see the live view. I think this one is better than before, maybe, not sure, we have to try first. So the SD card slot here, power button, USB-C connection, so diode adjustment, this adjust lens away from direct sunlight. Okay, so you can adjust it. As you can see, you can adjust the distance of your eyes. So here can attach to your head. I think it's more comfortable. Yeah, this is what today quick unboxing. So latest we will charge and update the firmware and then go for the flight test and see is it better than the version 1 Avata. Thank you for watching and see you in the next upcoming video.